Today's tech tutorial, we are diving into the world of seamless connectivity. Ever wish you could turn your Windows 10 or 11 device into a Wi-Fi hotspot? Well, you are in luck. Step 1. Open Settings. Click on the Start button, then select Settings, gear icon. Step 2. Go to Network and Internet. Inside Settings, choose Network and Internet. Step 3. Mobile Hotspot. In the left sidebar, select Mobile Hotspot. Step 4. Turn on Hotspot. Toggle the Share My Internet connection with other devices switch to enable the hotspot. Step 5. Configure hotspot settings. Click on Edit to set a network name and password for your hotspot. Step 6. Start hotspot. After configuring, click on the switch under Mobile Hotspot to turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot. Now your Windows 10 or 11 PC is broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal that other devices can connect to using the provided SSID and password.